my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy Diaries, your dear. So today I'm at beach and I have to say one of most unforgettable memory in this beach. So guys, first I like to show you there is no too much crowd in there. You can listen to only the noise from the sea. So anyway, the unforgettable memory is just I have two types of slippers. Wait, I will show. You can see that this is not mine, this is mine. So anyway, the memory is just I had removed my slipper on there. Wait, I will show you. On there, on the above. So anyway, the bird is bring my slipper into there. I don't know. So anyway, one slipper is in there, but the other one, I mean the right side slipper I have already, but the left side slipper I don't have. So I try to find my slipper, but it's really hard. You already know. I don't know, maybe the slipper at the middle of the ocean. So anyway, just I can find someone's slipper. Maybe that person also faced that issue, I don't know. So anyway, I have another slipper for my left. So this is that. So anyway, this is the unforgettable. Also, this is a very funny memory in my day in life like that. So I will share my vlogs like you. So anyway guys, this is Waikala beach. I like to share this beach is really you can see that there is no crowd. So anyway, I am at the afternoon, not at the evening. So I hope the evening sea also really beautiful. So anyway, just I have another type of slipper in my left. Also another brand of slipper in my right. So anyway, this is the memory I had faced. So anyway, you can see the large trunk in there. So anyway, I try to find the slipper will stuck on there, but it's not. So anyway, yeah. Yeah, so I like to remind you, don't remove your slippers because the birds are crazy. So if you need, you can dig a hole and you can, you can dig a hole on the above on somewhere and you can, you can bury it. I don't know the word, I'm really sorry. Dig the hole and put your slipper and cover from the sand. So anyway, this is my best memory in the Waikala beach, guys. So anyway, this is unforgettable memory in my beach vlogs. Okay, so see you next video, guys. Bye bye. This is Sri Lanka Waikala beach.